What would you do if the judge rejected a plea deal, even after admitting serious crimes? Today, we're diving into a courtroom showdown that's shocking, tense, and full of twists you won't see coming.
Good morning, you're Johnny Williams. And Mr. Parker, will your client waive the formal reading of the motions in each case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Williams?
The charges are all the same in each case, Judge.
Yeah, I gotta go through them. Okay. In cause number 22-40823, I have a first amended motion to revoke your community supervision. Shows that you were placed on probation February 13th of 2023 for forgery of a financial instrument, a state jail felony. That was a 2-year sentence that was probated for 5 years. Is that correct? And in cause number 22-41018, I also have a first amended motion to revoke your community supervision. Again, also shows you were placed on probation February 13th of 2023 for forgery of a financial instrument, a state jail felony. And again, that was a 2-year sentence that was probated for 5 years, correct? And then cause number 22-41019, also have a first amended motion to revoke your community supervision. Also shows you were placed on probation February 13th of 2023 for forgery of a financial instrument, a state jail felony. That was a 2-year sentence that was probated for 5 years. Is that also correct? Speak up, please. Thank you. All 3 of these motions allege that you violated your probation. Count 1 alleges in each case that you failed to report as directed to the probation department December of 2024 and January of 2025. And is that true or not true?
True or not true?
Count 2 in each case alleges that you failed to provide verification of completing the theft program or the theft prevention class. Is that true or not true? Count 3 in each case alleges that you did not provide verification of entering and successfully completing the moral recognition therapy. Is that true or not true?
MRT program. True. That's what we're talking about.
Count 4 in each case alleges that you are behind in your court-assessed fees. Is that true or not true? Did you enter your pleas of true to counts 1 through 4 in each of these cases freely and voluntarily? And did you plead true because all of those counts are actually true? In each of these cases, I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed those, did you go over them with Mr. Parker? Do you fully understand them? And do you understand, if I follow the agreements that you've made with the district attorney, that you will be waiving or giving up any right to appeal? State tenders number 1 in each case.
Objection.
It's admitted in each case. Is there any evidence that Mr. Williams is not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Williams, in each of your cases, I'm going to find that you enter your pleas of true to counts 1 through 4 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. Find sufficient evidence in each case to revoke your probation. In cause number 22-40823, revoke that probation, reassess your punishment in accordance with your agreement to a term of 12 months in the state jail prison. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. Cause number 22-41018. Find sufficient evidence to revoke your probation, and at this time revoke your probation, reassess your punishment in accordance with your agreement to a term of 12 months in the state jail prison. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. And then in cause number 22-41019, find sufficient evidence to revoke your probation, and at this time revoke your probation, reassess your punishment in accordance with your agreement to a term of 12 months in the state jail prison. You will receive credit on that sentence also for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. These cases will run concurrently, which means together at the same time. I'm going to hand you the trial court certifications in each of these cases that shows these were agreements that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. When you entered your pleas in these cases, I went over with you the fact that you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. I'm attaching a copy of that because of the judgments. You are ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, and if you have questions about that, you can read that document or talk to Mr. Parker. All right? Good luck to you, sir. You can go back with the bailiff. Thank you. All right, are you Robert Lowe? And so Mr. Lowe was previously in court, entered pleas of guilty to 3 cases of possession of child pornography. There was an agreement in those 3 cases for a 7-year deferred probation and a $1,000 fine with dismissals, I think, in 3 or 4 other cases. I've received the pre-sentence report. Has everyone had an opportunity to review that report?
Yes, ma'am.
I feel like this is different from some of these types of cases because Mr. Lowe was actually involved in creating with his own family member victim who was very young, 5 years old. So this wasn't I downloaded something and didn't realize what I was downloading. This is very different. This is a family member that was victimized because of this. Don't talk right now, okay? And so for those reasons, I do not feel comfortable accepting deferred probations in these cases. So I'm going to reject those plea offers. I don't know. Honestly, I haven't thought more about what I would be amenable to other than potentially just letting a jury decide. I'll reset it one time. You guys negotiate, see where you are on it. And if you come up with something, you can contact me. Otherwise, we'll get rejections and get his cases set for trial and let a jury decide one way or the other. Okay? I'm just not comfortable with this at all. You can go back with the bailiff.
But I already signed for probation.
I don't have to accept your probation.
I wasn't told that.
Yeah, you actually were, because we reset your case for sentencing. And here's the thing. It doesn't matter if you were or not. I'm not accepting the plea agreements. Okay? There's nothing you can do at this point other than Ms. Holmes will be out there to visit with you about any other options. And if you don't like those options, or if I don't like those options, then ultimately that's what a jury is for. If everyone can't agree, and then we get a jury to come in and determine if you're guilty and what the punishment is if you are found guilty. Okay? So let's see where we're. I'm not going to consider any bonds at this time.
Yes, Your Honor. I just his mother is here, and so but just for the record, because I have spoken with her on several occasions, as well as with Mr. Lowe. They did keep asking me if he would get out today, and my response to both of them was that it's up to the judge at the end of the day. So
Thank you,
I
Ms.
told
Holmes.
you that yesterday
Yes, ma'am.
when I visited with you,
Yes, ma'am.
and I told that to your mother.
Yes, ma'am.
That ultimately it's up to the court on whether you would be released today and placed on probation.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Ms. Holmes. You can go back with the bailiff.
I can't say anything else.
It's probably not wise right now. Okay? Go back with the bailiff. I'm going to delete the other dismissals that came through at this time.
Courtroom drama like this doesn't happen every day, and you won't want to miss the next shocking case. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you're always first to see the real stories from inside the courtroom.